curtains sit till the floors on clean. Polish and wax the laundry, mop and shine up. Sleep again, and by then it's like 7:15. So I read a book, or maybe 2 or 3. Add a few new paintings to my gallery. Play guitar and knit and cook, and basically just wonder when will my life begin. Then as lunch is puzzle and birth and